Big news, now is the time to buy Bitcoin. Bitcoin surged past 70,000 for the first time since April, fueled by institutional adoption and positive market sentiment. Analyst Alex Kruger predicts Bitcoin will rise even higher by year end. Plus, watch for Ethereum ETFs possibly approved post-2024 US elections. Get ready for a crypto explosion. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and let's start. And here we are starting off with Bitcoin has officially doubled since Gareth shorted at $35,000. Just in, Brazil to finalize Bitcoin and crypto stablecoin regulations this year. Consolidating right below all-time highs. Hold above 71,000 for a few days and I'm targeting $85,000. As Bitcoin is less than $3,000 away from making new all-time highs, altcoins are bouncing and Ethereum ETF is just days away. The stars are aligning for a massive alt season. Are you ready for it? Breaking, the state of Wisconsin Investment Board just disclosed a 162 million Bitcoin ETF holding in SEC filings, 99 million in BlackRock's IBIT, 63 million in Grayscale GBTC, state adoption, the nation-state adoption. Bitcoin is just a sneeze away from entering price discovery. After breaking the falling wedge, price pushed all the way back to $71,000, where it now consolidates less than 4% away from new all-time highs. It's time for the next leg higher. Spot Ethereum ETF approval not even remotely priced in, warns trader who sees Ethereum outperforming from US elections on Wart. Economist and crypto trader Alex Kruger recently shared his base case scenario for the crypto market, offering incisive predictions about Bitcoin and Ethereum's future price trajectories. So what happened? Kruger's base case scenario is Bitcoin much higher into year end, with Ethereum underperforming due to the possible ETF rejection. He also predicts that the forthcoming US elections could change the landscape dramatically and a change in regulatory leadership, potentially leading to Gary Gensler's removal, would pave the way for an Ethereum ETF approval in 2025. Ethereum outperforming from the US elections onward, he suggests. So yeah, should an Ethereum ETF approval come as early as this week? Kruger argues that it would accelerate everything significantly, commenting on the immediate reaction of the Ethereum. He states, today's move was just the market repositioning and shorts closing. An unexpected ETF approval could unleash substantial inflows, driving Ethereum to a new all-time highs. Do not fade an approval, it is not even remotely priced in. Kruger warns, however, Ethereum Bitcoin continues to remain in red year to date, presenting an opportunity for considerable upward momentum. Why it matters? The potential for an ETF rejection is not dismissed lightly, as Kruger acknowledges the significant downside risk, stating, if the Ethereum ETF gets rejected, we are in for a world of pain. Therefore, he advised traders to stay vigilant and keep alerts active during the US trading hours until the decision on May 23rd. Bloomberg ETF analysts updated their approval chance to 75% on Monday, and in conclusion, Alex Kruger's analysis highlights the dramatic influence an Ethereum ETF decision could have on the market. Whether it comes this week or post-election, the approval could catalyze a major bullish run for Ethereum. However, traders should remain cautious and prepared for the potential fallout or rejection. Is now the time to buy Bitcoin stocks as institutional adoption increases. So Wall Street investors may consider now an opportunity time to buy Bitcoin stocks, as a bullish breakout could drive further growth. As of Tuesday, the crypto market continues to show resilience and growth, leading to a positive sentiment for Bitcoin stocks. This crypto surge is fueled by institutional adoption and upcoming legislative developments. Bitcoin made significant gains on Monday afternoon, reaching over $71,000 in late trading, leaving behind a stagnant price action of the past few days. This marks the first time Bitcoin has surpassed the $70,000 mark since early April. Other cryptos also had strong intraday gains. Ethereum shot up 11% to 11.5% to 3,400, and Solana was up 8.2% as Ethereum has since shot up to over 3,700. The rally boosted cryptocurrency related stocks on Monday, with Marathon Digital rising by 15%, Bit Digital by 22%, and Coinbase by 8.5% at the close of Monday's session. Bitcoin mining stocks like Marathon Digital, Riot Platforms, CleanSpark, and Cypher Mining will be in the spotlight as Bitcoin demand and price rises. Institutional adoption and ETF holdings. The introduction of spot Bitcoin ETFs in January has accelerated the institutional adoption of crypto. According to recent 13F filings, 563 professional investment firms reported owning $3.5 billion of Bitcoin ETFs. Notable names in that filing includes hedge funds like Citadel, Millennium, and Point72. Morgan Stanley, a traditional asset manager, disclosed a 270 million investment in GBTC. Additionally, the State of Wisconsin Investment Board was the first U.S. pension fund to invest in Bitcoin ETFs, setting a precedent for other state pensions. Let's go for more, as nearly $1 billion was poured into spot Bitcoin ETFs last week. The 13F filing also revealed an influx of capital into the spot Bitcoin ETFs, totaling almost $1 billion in net inflows last week, as this surge reversed nearly $500 million of net outflows from these products over the prior 8 weeks, bringing year-to-date net flows back above $12 billion, as this renewed investor interest underscores the growing acceptance of Bitcoin-related financial products in traditional investment portfolios. Next up we go for is Grayscale's Ethereum ETF approval looms with mini trust launches. Grayscale Bitcoin Trust witnessed immense outflows over the spot Bitcoin ETF approval. However, potential Ethereum ETF approval might not turn out to be similar. The chances of a likely approval of Ethereum ETF approval on the May 23rd is placed at 75% as per Bloomberg analysts. However, Grayscale has announced details about the Grayscale Ethereum Mini Trust ahead of its potential approval, while Bitcoin Mini Trust did it only after the launch. May 23rd is the next critical deadline when the SEC must approve the listing exchange's Form 19b4. The Grayscale Ethereum Mini Trust launch alongside Ethereum E could actually result in fewer outflows due to the lower fees and no action required from the investor's part. Next up we go for SEC request corrections in Ether files. So the price of Bitcoin recently dropped below 35,000 following Wall Street's market opening, while Ethereum surged past 3,800. Crypto investors are keenly observing the latest happening in the market. Numerous sources have reported on significant new developments, including a now deleted claim regarding Ethereum ETF approval. However, Reuters has provided a crucial update. So what did Reuters report? According to Reuters, the US Securities and Exchange Commission has requested Nasdaq and Cboe exchanges to amend specific details of their Ether files. This request was made earlier this week, signaling a potential move towards the approval of a spot Ethereum ETF. Reuters' confirmation of these actions by the exchanges and potential issuers underscores the importance of these developments. So key takeaways for investors. Investors should monitor the SEC's actions closely, as these could lead to the approval of spot Ethereum ETF. Keep an eye on legislative developments in the US, particularly the 21st Century Crypto Act. Be aware of the potential impact of US elections on crypto regulations and market behavior. Consider the implications of President Biden's stance on crypto laws, as these could influence market dynamics. If the spot Ethereum ETF is approved unexpectedly, it will likely be tied to upcoming US elections, creating further excitement in the crypto market. So that's kind of all the information we got for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next one, and peace.